Hello, hi guys! Magandang hapon sa inyo lahat. This is Chin from Masagari Channel, a faith healer, also matarder. So ngayong hapon, natatagan natin na nagsabihin sa inyo ng ating mga gabay. This is a weekly gabay for the month of November 24 hanggang November 30 for the sign of Leo. So, Leo, welcome to my channel. Ano kaya ang messages, advices, at spirit guides ang ating masasaga for today's video? Kanina naman kayang energy or kaganapan sa buhay ng mga Virgos ay ng mga Leo signs ang ating mga hagilap. So, guys, this reading is a journey din lamang hindi lahat makaka-resonate. Kunin lamang po makaka-relate sa inyo and comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagap. And of course, maraming salamat po sa mga walang sawang pagsuporta sa aking channel. Lalong-lalo na hindi nag-skip ng ads. Naway pagpalain po kayo ng Diyos at may kapal. Siksik-liglig na gumapaw naman ng balik sa inyong biyaya. So guys, kumapit-kapit ka na dahil ito namin saya sa'yo ng ating mga gabay. Angel Spirit Messages giving information for the sign of Leo. Leo. Welcome. There's the word card, no? Meron daw ditong trouble, success, and of course, there's an achievement. Kumbaga may talaga malakas ang energy, may travel. And of course, there's an Eight of Swords, no? Kumbaga there's a blockages around you, no? There's a lot of negativities. So, ibig sabihin dito, some of you baka, kumbaga mangingibang bansa ka. Tapos, hindi matuloy-tuloy. That because hinaharang, no? Nagkakaroon ka dito ng, kumbaga nag-iisip ka bakit hindi ka makaalis-alis, bakit ganito, ganyan. Kasi there is a page of sword na kailangan mo makakuha ng information, no? Kumbaga natatabunan yung papeles mo or documents mo, hindi parang kumbaga napapailalim ganon. Let's see what is additional messages. And of course, there is a high priestess. And of course, there's a mystery behind, no? Ibig sabihin dito, may mystery daw dun sa likod ng eksena na yun, no? Kumbaga, bakit nangyayari yun? Kasi may gumagawa sa'yo ng something na para ma-delay. So, some of you kailangan nyo mag-cleansing, no? Mag-cleansing kayo na mag-cleansing nang sa ganon, yung mga blockages na to ay, kumbaga, mabawasan, no? And of course, there is a page of the Two of Cups, no? There is a partnership. So, let's see what is additional messages. And of course, there's an Ace of Cups, no? And of course, there's romantic, no? There's a new romantic feelings or new love life coming in that brings you a partnership. And of course, there's a unified love. And of course, there's an Eight of Cups. So, there's a let go, no? May mga bagay na dapat mong hayaan, no? Or something mag-move on or something let go na mangyari. Kasi the more na, kumbaga, kaya pala there's an high priestess, there's an unexpected moment, no? Even na nag-expect ka, makukuha mo yung unexpected moment. So, ibig sabihin dito, wag ka mag-expect ng isang bagay, no? Kasi nagkakaroon ng delays. At the same time, there is an Eight of Cups na kailangan mong hayaan mangyari, no? And of course, there's a trouble. And of course, there's an information, the lovers. So, some of you it's either, kumbaga, merong kaugnayan dito yung person, no? Baka ang gumagawa ng negativity or something na, is, related sa iyo or related sa kanya or something, toxic family, gano'n, or toxic friends. And let's see, there's a Four of Wands. So, there's a celebration. At the end of the time, magkakaroon ka ng celebration at magkakaroon ka ng new ideas and new information. Pero, tendency, talaga magkakaroon ka talaga dito ng something na trouble. And of course, that brings you celebration. So, let's see what is the High Priestess. And of course, there's black naman. Sabi na there's a black magic and vow. So, ibig sabihin dito, may gumawa sa'yo ng pampamalas, no? Kaya pala may something sa'yo na bakit hindi ka makaalis. So, let's see what is the Two of Cups. And I guess there's a Three of Wands. So, waiting for a result or waiting for a ship, no? May mga bagay na kailangan mong antayin. Hindi mo kailangan kumbaga magmadali or something. Kailangan mo lang mag-antay on the right time. So, let's see what is the Ace of Cups. There's a Three of Pentacles. So, magkakaroon daw dito ng heart-to-heart conversation. Na para magkakaroon kayo ng pag-uusap dito with your partner na something, kumbaga, serious. Ganon. And of course, there's a serious matter talaga. So, let's see what is the word card. And of course, the Eight of Cups. So, there's a Seven of Pentacles. So, there's a harvest time. At the end of the time, talaga makukuha mo yung what you deserve. Diba? Kumbaga, may mga bagay na inantay ka, pero at the end of the time, makukuha mo naman siya. Hindi man sa ngayon, sigurado, pero ang mga susunod na araw, kumbaga, makukuha mo rin yan. So, let's see what is the Eight of Swords and the Lovers. And of course, there's Three of Cups. So, there's a third party involved. So, meron talagang may third party dito, no, na may kinalaman. So, let's see. It's either friend, relatives, or something at, kumbaga, third party. Ganon. Kumbaga, meron ditong, it's either may babae or may lalaking involved. So, let's see what is the Page of Swords and the Four of Wands. So, there's a Two of Wands. So, there's a decision. Kailangan mo mag-decision dito, no? Titignan mo yung lighter side of situation. And of course, both side of situation, kailangan balance ka. Nang sa ganun, malaman mo ang magiging decision mo dito. So, let's see what is the High Priestess and the Black naman. And of course, guys, there's Empress card, a revert. So, ibig sabihin talaga, guys, meron talaga ditong hidden agenda na may gumagawa ng black magic involved. And the Empress card is third party na may babae talaga, no? May babae. So, some of you yung person mo may babaeng involved dito, no? It's either an ex or something a lover. So, let's see what is the Two of Cups and of course the Three of Wands. So, there's Ten of Wands. So, there's a burden, no? Ang dami ng kumbaga, ang dami mo nang pinagdaanan, ang bigat-bigat na ng kumbaga situation mo. Gusto mo na makaalis sa sitwasyon. So, there's a waiting for a result na. There's international trouble. So, meron ka talagang kumbaga makakapag-ibang bansa ka talaga. So, let's see what is the Ace of Cups and the Three of Pentacles. And of course, there's tower moment. There's a sudden changes. So, some of you guys, may magbabago sa sitwasyon na to. There's a new romance coming in for you. Baka makilala mo to sa trabaho mo. Or baka makapag-ibabasa ka, tapos doon mo siya makilala, no? There's a new offer dito eh. So, let's see what is additional outcome. Okay, the Four of Cups, no? Reevaluation and analyze. May mga bagay na kailangan mo munang pag-isipan, may mga bagay na kailangan mo munang alamin bago ka mag-take ng action, no? And of course, sinasabi din sa'yo dito, there's a Page of Pentacles, there's a new fresh ideas, and new ideas coming in for you, and manifestation, may mga bagay na magagawa mo at matutupad mo, no? And of course, sinasabi din sa'yo dito, there's Ace of Swords, there's a breakthrough. So, magtatagumpay ka at the end of the time. Kung ano man yung ginagawa mo, kumbaga, nasa sa'yo pa rin yung alas at nasa sa'yo pa rin yung huling halakhak. With the Six of Pentacles, kumbaga this time, magkakaroon na ng balance, no? There's a give and take na something. Kumbaga, marami ka matatanggap by the universe, no? Kumbaga, magtutuloy-tuloy na rin about sa finances mo. Kumbaga, there's an information na there's a breakthrough. So, parang ito na yung hudyat ng pagbabago para sa'yo. Parang ganun siya. So, let's see what is the Love Oracle card. What is the Love Oracle card? And of course, there's a butterfly. So, some of you, there's a new phase, new relationship evolving to the highest next phase, no? Healing the inner child or something na kumbaga magkakaroon ka ng growth and expansion. And there's a wedding. So, some of you guys, there's a union, wedding, marriage, and soul connections, no? And there's an everlasting promises. Kumbaga, meron ditong taong talagang, kaya pala, there's a Four of Wands, meron taong, kumbaga, papakasalan mo or papakasalan ka, ganon. So, let's see what is the magical fairy messages. What is the magical fairy messages for you? Okay, there's a patient please. So, kailangan talagang kumalma. May mga bagay na kailangan mong antayin. May mga bagay na kailangan mong pahabaan yung pasensya mo sa mga bagay-bagay. And of course, sinasabi dito, what you're asking for is it coming about? Have patient as there are unseen factors that need to occur first. See? Kailangan mo talaga mag-antay. So, let's see what is the yin and yang oracle card. Diba? So, kalmado. Kailangan mo talagang kumalma. So, let's see. What is the yin and yang oracle card? And of course, sinasabi dito, there's an assistant, spirit guide. So, ginagabayan ka ng ating mga angel spirit sa mga bagay-bagay o sitwasyon na ginagawa mo. And of course, there's a storm with unexpected, no? I told you so, no? Kumbaga, there's an unexpected moment. Maraming magaganap na unexpected moment dito na some of you hindi mo inaasahan na, kumbaga, may mga bagay na masisira at may mga bagay na mabubuo. So, ano ka doon? No? And of course, sinasabi dito, there's an ace of earth. Baka some of you may kinalaman ka sa Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Additional messages. And I guess there's a trust, the divine timing. I told you, di ba? Sabi, have a patient, the time is yours, and when the time is come, makukuha mo yung mga bagay na para sa'yo. Magtiwala ka. There's a trust. No? And divine time. So, let's see what is additional messages for angel spirit guides. And of course, guys, there's balance. I told you. Diba? Kailangan mo maging balance eh. And there's a courage. No? Kasi sabi dito, I find the inner strength to the face fear with the confidence. So, see? Alisin mo yung takot at pangamba mo. Hindi yan makakatulong sa'yo bagkos, diba? Makakagulo siya. So, kailangan maging matapang. So, let's see what is additional messages. And of course, there is a high council by evolutions, no? Kumbaga may mga bagay na unti-unti nang magbabago, gano'n. At the same time, there is a trouble. I told you, di ba? May trouble ka dito, ti. I think kaya siguro hindi natutuloy yung trouble mo. There's a toxic family and toxic relationship, no? And there's a confidence. So, kailangan mo ng confident. And of course, there's an astral trouble. Meron dito kumbaga parang nagkakaroon ka ng intuitions dito, nakikita mo yung mga bagay-bagay, no? Sa paligid mo, may mga bagay-bagay ka rin nakikita na kumbaga mangyayari. So, let's see what is the Montology. There is you and your loved ones are safe. So, ibig sabihin dito, yung mga mahal mo sa buhay, safe naman daw, no? And of course, there's show the world the real you. Ipakita mo sa mundo kung sino ka talaga. Kung anong kakayanan mo at kung ano talaga ang pagkatao mo, parang ganon. So, let's see what is Archangel Michael messages for you. And you created the situation and you have the power to change it, no? Kumbaga, ikaw yung naglagay sa sitwasyon mo, ikaw din yung makakagawa ng paraan para makaalis ka dyan. Which is true, di ba? And of course, the prayer will help you from the situation, di ba? Yung pagdarasal talaga, ang laking tulong na nagagawa niyan sa atin, ng ating mga gabay, no? And of course, sinasabi dito, pay attention to your dreams, no? Sundin mo yung iyong mga pangarap. And of course, take your time making decision. So, kailangan mong, kumbaga, mag-antay, no? Bago ka mag-desisyon, kailangan mo muna mag-isip, mag-isipan yung mga bagay-bagay, evaluate or analyze, para na sa ganun, wala kang regret na mangyayari from all your decisions, no? And of course, eternal love. Meron ditong hanggang wakas na pagmamahal, no? Parang walang hanggan, palang ganon. So, let's see what is the energy. And of course, there is second chakra Archangel Uriel about sa finances. Angel Spirit, guys. So, there's a door to the Spirit. So, may pintuan dito, no? Para sa mga parang binubuksan yung pintuan about sa spirituality for you. Para maunawaan mo, malaman mo yung about sa spiritual. So, let's see what is the chakra messages. Impakes, I told you, di ba? May humaharang, oo. I told you, may humaharang. May humaharang, my God. May humaharang sa, ano mo. And there's a completion. Huwag mong hayaan mahuli ang lahat. No? And because there's a trickery. Manloloko. Sinungaling. Yun siya na nga ng loko, siya pa yung gagawa ng hindi maganda. Ganun, no? So, let's see what is additional messages. And there's a family. There's a family related. So, some of you baka, there's a toxic family talaga. And of course, there's a support, no? Kumbaga, sinusuportahan ka ng ating angel spirit and there's a writing. So, ibig sabihin dito, nasa sa'yo yan kung, kumbaga, kung ano yung, kumbaga, there's an heal and inspire teach, no? Kumbaga, may mga bagay na tutulong sa'yo, no? Para maunawaan at para matutunan mo yung mga bagay-bagay. So, let's see what is additional messages. And of course, there is, you're not for everyone. So, there's a weirdness. Now, may mga bagay na hindi ka flexible. Kumbaga, may mga bagay na, kumbaga, nahihirapan yung ibang tao pakisamahan ka, ganun. Kumbaga, may attitudes ka siguro na, kumbaga, mahirapan silang kapain ka, ganun. So, let's see what is additional messages. And of course, there is a fall into my arms, extreme of life, surrender. See? Kaya may mga bagay na kailangan mong bitawan, may mga bagay na kailangan mong pakawalan. Na kaya, kumbaga, dapat mong i-surrender sa ating universe, rather kay God, na may mga bagay na makukuha in the perfect timing. So, let's see what is the romance angels. What is the romance angels, angel spirit guides? So, there is an healing of, oh my God, sabi ko na eh. There's an healing of family issue. So, I told you, di ba, may toxic family. So, let's see what is Archangel Raphael messages. And there is a call upon Archangel Raphael for help po. So, kailangan mo ng tulong ni Archangel Raphael for healing. So, some of you, baka kinukulam ka dito ng, kumbaga, toxic family ng person mo, ha? No? Let's see what is additional messages for Jesus loving quotes. Okay, according to your faith. Okay, tingnan natin. Wait, isa lang dapat. Okay, sinasabi dito na according to your faith, be into you. So, ibig sabihin, depende na lang yan sa pananampalataya at tiwala mo. Kaya sa ating poong may kapal, no? May mga bagay na para sa'yo, may mga bagay na hindi pa para sa'yo. Kumbaga, dapat magtiwala ka. At nasa sa'yo kung magtitiwala ka sa tamang process, no? So, let's see what is the angel's answer. This is the angel's answer. So, magkakaroon tayo ng question, guys. Mag-isip ka na magiging question mo. Then, of course, ating sasagutin ang ating angel's answer para malaman mo ang magiging kasagutan. So, bibilang ako ng 3, kailangan nakapag-isip ka na. One. Two. Three. Angel's answer, give me the information. Ask your angel. So, kailangan mo ng tulong ng ating mga gabay, no? And of course, a year from now. So, ngayong taon na to, ano ba itong inaantay mo? Meron daw ngayong taon na to. So, let's see what is the angel's number. What is the angel's number? Give me information. Okay, there's a 66. I am positive. So, sinasabi dito, your guardian angel is teaching you the essence of unconditional love. You are encouraged you to have faith that the universe will provide for you while you are manifesting your inner desires. See? Kumaga magtiwala ka daw sa ating poong may kapal, rather sa ating universe, na ibibigay at pagkakalob sa iyo at makukuha mo yung mga bagay na hinahangad at inaasam-asam mo. Diba? Kung alam mo nagtitiwala ka na ibibigay niya yung pagkakalob niya on the right time, makukuha mo yun. Diba? Let's see what is the messages of life. Hope. My God. There's a hope. So, may pag-asa talaga, no? Parang hope is a pag-asa or something miracle. So, let's see. As I enter the great of school of life, I hold tight to my faith in God. God loves, guides me, and guards me in every situation I encounter. Regardless of what I confront, I trust in my true self, true nature today. I welcome life. I know that life will always return and there will always be infinite possibilities for me. See? Lahat ng mga bagay na kumbaga magiging posible ay posible, no? Lahat ng mga bagay na imposible ay posible. At may mga bagay na kumbaga nakatakdang mangyari. At kumbaga sinusubukan ng pananampalataya at tiwala mo dito sa ating poong may kapal, kung kumbaga titimbangin dito yung tiwala mo at pananampalataya mo kung hanggang saan. That doon mo masusukat ang pagmamahal at kalooban ng Panginoon at Diyos, no? Kumbaga doon mo makikita yung mga bagay na may isa sa katuparan na. So, ibig sabihin dito, kumapit ka kasi may mga bagay na mangyayari na in the divine perfect timing. So, guys, this is weekly gabay for the month of November 24 hanggang November 30 for the sign of Leo. So, Leo, maraming salamat for your wonderful reading. This reading is a journey reading lamang, hindi lahat makaka-resonate. Kung hindi lamang po makaka-relate sa inyo, and comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagap. Maraming salamat sa mga walang sa pag-support sa aking channel. Lalong-lalo na hindi nag-skip ng ads, na way pagpalain po kayo ng Diyos at may kapalsiksik na gumapa ang biyaya manambalik sa inyo. Maraming salamat and see you in the next video. Bye-bye and babush.